Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. We know that computer science is a dynamic and very popular field today. There are lots of opportunities in the field of computer science for computer science graduates and postgraduates. Today, everything is done using the computer, whether it is manufacturing, education, finance, banking sectors, administration, etc. It means almost all fields computer science is very necessary. We are using lots of mobile applications and websites over the internet, which is nothing but piece of code which is created by the programmers or software engineers. There are lot to create and lot to maintain in the software field in future. So the demand of computer science graduates is very high today and in future. Therefore, in this video lecture, I will explain you the career opportunities in the various organizations, especially for computer science students, whether he has done BSc, BTech, MTech, MSc, MCA, BCA or any diploma in computer science or PhD, etc. Let's see the career opportunities one by one in various sectors and premier organizations. So the first one is IT and software companies. We know that 90% of jobs are in IT and software companies like Microsoft, IBM, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, etc. These companies recruit through campus placement from the colleges as well as off-campus placements. These companies pay handsome salaries starting from 3.5 lakh. They offered the various posts like software engineer, system analyst, web designer or developer, database administrator, network admin or programmer, and the minimum eligibility for all these companies are BTech or BE or MCA. If you want to pursue career in government organization as a scientist, then you have lots of options available in India like ISRO, DRDO, NIELIT, etc. So they are pioneer in research in India and pay very good salary to scientists. ISRO, it's a Indian Space Research Organization, recruit every year for the post of scientist and the eligibility is BE or B. Next is DRDO. It's Defense Research and Development Organization. In DRDO, for the post of scientist, the eligibility is BE or BTech plus valid GET score. Then next is NIELIT. It's a National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. Offers scientist and technical assistant for computer graduates and it recruits every year. If you are interested in teaching field, then many organizations offers teaching positions to computer science graduates and postgraduates with good salary. The KVS and NVS which runs under MHRD, Government of India, offers PGTCS and PGTIT post to computer science graduates. The minimum eligibility for these posts are BE or BTech or MCA or MSc. Then various state government like ITI colleges offers the post of vice principal and superintendent to BE or BTech holders. The recruitment generally through the Public Service Commission. Then, various state government polytechnical college offers the post of lecturers to computer science graduates for the BE or BTech holders, and the recruitment is again through the PSC. Again, in teaching, the various state government engineering colleges offers the post of assistant professor to BTech and MTech degree holders. And the government degree colleges also offers the post of assistant professor, and the recruitment eligibility is MTech, MSc or MCA with NET or PhD. Now, every state government in our country have Department of Information Technology that have various positions for computer science graduates like analyst cum programmer, then information assistant, etc. For the post of ACP and programmer, the eligibility is MCA, BTech, MTech or MBA IT. And for information assistant, the eligibility is diploma, BCA or BSc or BTech or RSIT, etc. If you want to go to banking sectors, then most of the public and private banks in India offers the post of IT officer or system analyst or DBA to the computer science graduates, and the eligibility is BTech or BE or MCA. Other than these, every government department and autonomous bodies of central and state government requires the services of computer science graduates as data entry operator, software engineers, programmers, etc. So in this video lecture, I tried to give you the broad idea of career opportunities in computer science. But the future is very bright and sky is the limit. I hope this video lecture is very helpful for choosing the career opportunities in computer science field. Thank you so much.